Hi, good day. I am Naga Grace G. Gatala from Bsed 3. The problem is to determine the two positive numbers whose sum of the first number and twice the second number is 108 and the product is to be a maximum. First, we need to label the given in the problem, in which we let x and y be the two positive numbers and p be the product. Then we need to identify the objective function. Based on the problem, we have to maximize the product of the two positive numbers. So, the objective function must represent the product of x and y. So, we obtain p equals to x times y. And then let's proceed to the next step, which is to identify the constraints. The problem states that the first number and twice the second number is 108. To put it into equation, we just have to add x plus 2y equals to 108. Since we have now the two functions, which are the constraints and the objective functions, we can now already reduce the objective function to one variable. The objective function is p equals to x times y, right? In reducing it into a single variable, we always use the constraints. From the constraints x plus 2y equals 108, we just have to express the equation into x in terms of y. So therefore, x plus 2y equals 108, which is our constraints. We just have to transpose 2y because we are expressing it into x in terms of y. So x equals to 108. Transpose 2y will become negative 2y. Then from this value of x, we just have to substitute it from the objective function, which is p is equals to x times y. The value x equals to 108 minus 2y will be substituted from this equation. So therefore, p of y is equals to, substitute the value of x, 108 minus 2y quantity times y. Distribute the y will become 108 times y is equals to 108y. Negative 2y times y is negative 2y squared. Therefore, we express the product of the two numbers as function p of y is equals to 108y minus 2y squared. From this function, we will find its derivative, or we will differentiate the objective function. So therefore, p of y equals to 108y minus 2y is equals to the p prime of y, become the derivative of 108y is 108, and the derivative of negative 2y squared is negative 4y. Then we need to equate the derivative to 0 in order to find the critical number. So therefore, 0 is equals to 108 minus 4y. Transpose 4y will become positive 4y is equals to 108. In order to cancel this 4, we just have to divide both sides by 4. So, cancel. The remaining is y is equals to 27. Since we have now the value of y, or one of the missing positive numbers, we have to find the other positive number by substituting the value of y to the constraint equation. This is our constraint equation, which is x is equals to 108 minus 2y. We just have to substitute the value of y, which is 27. So x is equals to 108 minus 2 times 27. So x is equals to 108. 2 times 27 is negative 54. So therefore, 108 minus 54 is positive 54. So therefore, we conclude that the two positive numbers are 54 and 27.